Welcome back to Anointed Lady TV, my good people. Welcome back to your number one channel for legit news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for that is our green white green country, wey be Nigeria. And once again, we don't come with breaking news, we don't come with updates wey I wan share give the general public. And the cocoa be say, the Rivers State House of Assembly don issue a notice of gross misconduct allegations against the Rivers State Governor wey be Sir Siminalayi Fubara and his deputy wey dey go by the name Professor Ngozi Odu. In addition, the lawmakers still call on the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission wey be EFCC say make dem come investigate the secretary to the state government wey be Tami Danagogo over alleged extra budgetary spending. And as part of their decision, the assembly can still resolve to publish the misconduct allegations against the Rivers State Governor wey be Sir Sim Fubara and his deputy wey be Professor Ngozi Odu for inside 3 national newspapers. And my good people, no forget, say these lawmakers so, them now they be allies of the former governor of Rivers State, who don become the minister of FCT. And I'm talking about Wike. These pro-Wike lawmakers now, they don't get beef, they don't get conflict with the governor of Rivers State, to be Sir Sim Fubara, since the day the man entered office as governor for the year 2023. And just last week for year, the lawmakers then frustrate the attempts of the Rivers State governor as if they try to present the Rivers State 2025 budget. And now these developments so plus many other levels where the lawmakers they practice now can further escalate the political tensions for inside Rivers State. And now the Rivers State House of Assembly don't serve a notice of alleged misconduct on the governor Sir Sim Fubara plus his deputy will be Professor Ngozi Odu. And these developments so they officially mark the beginning of an impeachment process against the Rivers State governor. And these developments so they go against the warning of the Ijaw National Congress plus many other organizations and big politicians for inside Rivers State and beyond, as they will done summer warning give the lawmakers plus Wike when they no try at all say they impeach the Rivers State governor will be Sir Sim Fubara, because if they impeach the man, say trouble go dey for inside Rivers State too. But however, my good people, for inside last week, after the Ijaw National Congress don come outside call yarn the warning finish, the minister of FCT will be the former governor of Rivers State, and that na Wike, when tori people invite and come channel me come talk about the things and things wey dey happen for inside Rivers State, think on the yarn say Ijaw na minority of minorities, that is they no get force at all. And normally after the Ijaw then hear these levels finish where Wike talk, then consider them as an insult. And that's now why some women go block the road where they lead to Abalama, will be one community for inside Asaritoru local government area of Rivers State for the southern Nigeria. And according to reports with the ground, the women so where they run the protest, they wear black clothes and they tie white clothes around their head, and they go block road because say the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory is expected to show face for one grand reception where in supporters then organize for them for inside Calabari land. And this reception so happen live for community secondary school field Abalama. But last my good people, the entourage, the policemen will follow Wike come, then use tear gas pursue the women where they do protest come off for road. So back to the cocoa of the hour, my good people, back to the notice of alleged misconduct on Governor Siminalayi Fubara and his deputy will be Professor Ngozi Odu, where the Rivers State House of Assembly then serve. And according to how men take rights for inside the notice, they say in compliance with section 188 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999 as amended, and other extant laws, them now will be the undersigned members of the Rivers State House of Assembly, they hereby forward to the Rivers State Governor a notice of gross misconduct by the Deputy Governor of Rivers State in the performance of the functions of her office. And based on information we gather, we now find out say the Speaker of the Rivers State House of Assembly will be Martins Amewole. Even before now, he be don forward the notice to the Rivers State Governor will be Sir Sim Fubara, asking him to reply to the allegations where they don't plaster against him in the said notice of allegations of gross misconduct accordingly. According to how they say right now for inside their notice, they say in doing this, the attention of the Rivers State Governor is drawn to the provisions of section 188 bracket 3 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999 as amended. And this chapter of the law now, the yarn, say within 14 days of the presentation of the notice to the Speaker of the House of Assembly, whether or not any statement was made by the holder of the office in reply to the allegations contained in the notice, the House of Assembly shall resolve by motion without any debate whether or not the allegation shall be investigated. And the yarn say make the Rivers State Governor be very much guided and make him accept their esteemed regards. So this, my good people, now the updates concerning the things and things wey dey happen for inside Rivers State. Now anyhow this matter be you for body, or if you be say you get contributions about this very particular topic, so feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. But meanwhile, me still get another informate, me still get reports for my table wey I need share give the general public. And the koko be say the former president of this our white green country wey be Olusegun Obasanjo, he na don come outside dey criticize the 70,000 naira new minimum wage wey dey approved for workers by our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu. And Sir Olusegun Obasanjo dey describe the 70,000 naira as something wey dey grossly inadequate to cover the basic needs of workers, and that's na after e don include transportation, food and housing. The former president constantly accused the leaders of the Labour Congress say like this now they don betray workers by prioritizing personal interest over collective welfare. And all these levels, my good people, Oga Olusegun Obasanjo write am for inside the book wey he newly released, and the name of that book na Nigeria, Past and Future. For inside chapter 17 of this very particular book, so the former vice president come dey yarn say normally workers they need more attention than they are getting currently, and na their right, and their rights have been denied for too long, and no make sense at all at all. He say currently workers have become victims of those meant to protect their interest. And now because of the political ambition of Labour leaders, most union leaders dey very much inactive compared to the expectations of the founding fathers. And now workers don become victims of selfish leaders wey dey use their positions to achieve political heights. Now rather than the leaders to negotiate in the interest of workers, men now go carry the leaders go room, men go come give them huge sum of money, and the leaders they will come put the huge sum of money for their back pocket and they will come keep quiet, and that's go come mark the end of the negotiation. Oga Olusegun Obasanjo constantly criticize government officials who openly admit say dem pay off Labour leaders to stop the agitation. Sir Olusegun Obasanjo now come dey ask say how they want to explain say a senior official wey dey close to our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu publicly dey yarn say they don pay men to keep quiet and stop agitating, and that na why the agitation come last stop. Now men never find out how legitimate all these levels wey the former president dey yarn, but the truth of the matter be say initially na 250,000 naira na Labour leaders be dey demand as minimum wage, but last the thing come end for 70,000 naira. Now this, my good people, na the information I wan share give the general public. Anyhow the matter be you for body, or if you be say you get contributions about this very particular topic, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV, and our hobby na to dey give una legit news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside this our white green country wey be Nigeria. So if you be say you like this informate and you go like to dey receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell, so that as we dey bring more news dey come, now you go first receive the updates and you go even receive am. Me dey come back again with more updates and more reports for you, my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.